In Excel, the right mouse button always opens a shortcut menu, and it's one of the easiest tools to use, especially when you're new and the ribbon menus seem overwhelming. Let's say we're working on a worksheet called Profits, and we want to add a new row between rows 3 and 4. I'll click cell A4, but I'm not sure what to do next. Maybe it's on the Insert tab in the ribbon? I'll check, but it's not there. Should I press the Insert key on my keyboard? No, that doesn't help either. Here's the quicker way: right-click on cell A4. A shortcut menu appears with a list of useful commands, not all Excel commands, but many of the ones you'll often need. At the very top, you'll also notice a Mini Toolbar, which is used for quick formatting. We'll skip that for now. In the shortcut menu, there's the Insert option. I'll click it. Some commands in Excel have 3 dots after them. This means there's another dialog box with more choices. In this case, I'll choose Insert Entire Row and click OK. That adds a new row exactly where I wanted it. Here's a tip: if you right-click the row number itself, say row 5, the menu is shorter, and Insert doesn't have the 3 dots. That means Excel will immediately insert a new row without any extra steps or questions. Once you try this a few times, it becomes second nature. The right mouse button is context sensitive, meaning the options change depending on what you've clicked. It's a fast, convenient way to work in Excel, perfect for exploring and getting comfortable with the program. As you may have seen in the previous video, if you're looking at the Home tab and curious about a button, you can simply right-click it. Let's say I right-click the bold B button. One of the choices I get is Add to Quick Access Toolbar. I don't need to do that right now, but it's a good reminder that the right mouse button always opens a menu of relevant options. This also works in other areas. For instance, if I right-click a Sheet tab at the bottom of the screen, I'll see commands related to managing sheets, like renaming, deleting, or moving them. Again, this shows that the right-click menu is context-sensitive, meaning Excel adjusts the options based on what you've selected. Now, let's look at the Mini Toolbar, another feature that appears when you select or edit text. Suppose I'm in cell A11, which contains the word expenses. I'll double-click the cell to edit it, then highlight the word. The Mini Toolbar appears right above the text, giving me quick font formatting tools such as bold, font color, and font style. I'll click bold to make the word stand out. Of course, I could have gone up to the Home tab and clicked the bold button there, but the Mini Toolbar is faster because it appears right where you're working. It saves time and keeps your focus on the data itself. So, whether you're right-clicking a button, a worksheet tab, or text inside a cell, remember, the right mouse button and Mini Toolbar are powerful, time-saving tools that make Excel easier and more efficient to use. If you right-click a group of cells, you'll see how easy it is to make quick formatting changes. Let's say I'm not sure how those $signs appeared in my data. I'll right-click one of the cells, and the Mini Toolbar appears at the top of the pop-up menu with several useful options. I've heard that instead of using the $sign format, some people prefer the comma style, so I'll try that. These formatting tools also exist on the Home tab, but using the right-click menu is often quicker and more convenient. The change appears instantly. If I don't like the look, I can easily switch back to the $sign or explore other options, like decreasing decimal places to make the numbers look cleaner. This demonstrates how the right-click concept provides a smaller, focused set of choices drawn from Excel's many features. It's a quick way to access commonly used tools without navigating through multiple tabs. The Mini Toolbar that appears alongside it also includes handy formatting commands, allowing you to adjust things like font, alignment, and number style right where you're working, saving you time and effort. And here's a tip: if you're currently using another tab, such as View or Data, and you highlight some cells, you can still right-click to bring up these formatting options without switching back to the Home tab. So, whether you're adjusting currency symbols or fine-tuning data presentation, remember that the right mouse button and Mini Toolbar make Excel faster, smoother, and more efficient to use. Now that you've seen how handy the right-click menu and Mini Toolbar can be, our next video will explore Excel workbooks and worksheets, how they're structured and how to use them effectively. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel lessons. See you again.